Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna sandwich with lettuce. Start by draining tuna, chopping lettuce, and gathering bread, mayo, salt, and pepper. I'll walk you through mixing ratios, toast options, and layering techniques so each bite is balanced. Expect tips for texture, quick substitutions, and timing to keep lettuce crisp. This friendly guide makes a satisfying sandwich easy and repeatable at home. Warm up your hands and mindset. Flake tuna, remove excess liquid, then add mayo slowly. Stir gently to avoid mush while checking texture often. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or lemon to lift flavors without overpowering the lettuce. If you like a little zip, add a dash of mustard or chopped pickles for contrast. I'll show portion sizes and how to keep the mix scoopable for clean assembly. Grab your toasted bread, spread a thin layer of mayo or butter if desired, then add an even scoop of tuna. Top tuna with crisp lettuce leaves to maintain texture and avoid wet spots. Press gently, slice cleanly, and serve immediately for best crunch. I'll suggest plating ideas and quick sides so your meal feels complete. Small tweaks change mouthfeel, so test combos that suit your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.